You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the butt.
That's gonna be a problem.
What? I told you a solution. Sell me a turbo and I'll give you the one off at home.
No.
228.
No.
228.
All right, my friends, the motor is in the car, and as you saw, we had to take the turbo off for the shit to fit. Now I need a better turbo manifold. Y'all got suggestions? Throw them my way. I'm not paying $600 for a dock race. It's not happening. So we gotta figure something out. But hey, thank y'all for watching. Saw the struggle. It's in there. Just gotta hook everything up now. Get fluids in it and turn the key. I'm happy, but I'm pissed off at the same time. 'Cause that shit here is too damn big to fit in there. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to get your merch, and please share the videos. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much.